Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the product of the polynomials 9q square plus 7q plus 1 and 5q square minus 0.3. So over here we have 9q square plus 7q plus 1 and 5q square minus 0.3. So what we have to do is we have to multiply individually each of the terms which is present within the first pair of brackets with all the terms present within the second pair of brackets. So we will have 9q square multiplied by 5q square minus 0.3 plus 7q multiplied by 5q square minus 0.3. Then we have plus 1 multiplied by 5q square minus 0.3. So 9q square multiplied by 5q square will become 45q raised to the power 4, and 9q square multiplied by minus of 0.3 will become minus of 2.7q square. Then we have 5q square multiplied by 7q, so it will give us 35q, so 35q cube, and then 7q multiplied by minus of 0.3 is minus of 2.1 q, and finally we have 5q square. So let's write it over here. So 5q square minus 0.3. Okay, so after further simplification we are going to have 45q raised to the power 4 plus 35q raised to the power 3, then 5q square minus of 2.7q square, which will result in plus 2.3 q square, then minus of 2.1 q and minus of 0.3. So this will be the final result. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.